This video, I will show you that how to set up your automation. So, for example, if you are an email marketer and you have uh, if you are promoting any product and you have through and if you're collecting an email through landing page or opt-in page or any other page, right? So you have to create your automation, which is very important. Right. So in this video, I will show you that how to create a step-by-step automation that your subscriber will get time to time message at what time do you want to decide which message do you want to send at what time. Else you will I will show you everything in that video. All right, so let's get, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you have to do, you log in into your email, yeah, get response. When you will come into get response, then click on the square button and simply click on the automations. When you will click on the automations, just start your first workflow. So I will click on the first workflow. You have to click on this link, and when you will click on this link, then you will land up on the next page, and they you will see a lot of template. Yes, you have to decide which templates you want. So if you are a start, or if you are a beginner, then you have to always start from the scratch, because it always give that specific idea how to start, and it will also easy for you when you start. All right, so when you click on the build from scratch button, it automatically land up in the next page. So you have to click on the next button, and when you will click on the next, it automatically shows enter your automation workflow name. So I will simply just click on this thing. For example, I'm testing, so I will click on the test one, and and then it says that start the process when someone subscribe. And so you will see a lot of this thing: subscribes, clicks the link, opens the message as a special event site. You will just read once, right? So for example, if somebody subscribes, so if, start the process where someone is subscribed. So if somebody is subscribing, then what automation do you want to grow? What automation do you want to create? So I will simply click on the subscribe button. So when I click on the subscribe button, it means that if if you if you have if you are collecting a mail through landing page or opt-in page or any other page, if somebody subscribe to you, right? So you have created that list in that get response. So you have to click that uh, list. And for example, I will just simply click on the double click, and when I will click on the double click, it automatically says that in the right hand side it says select the list. So I will and click on the Pacific button. When you will click on the Pacific, it says the thing is select the list. Another, you have to select the list. So I've created one list where my email get collected there. So example, I'm promoting one product that is in keto diet. So I've created that list. So where my all the subscriber will get on that list. So simply I will click on that list, and yes, and you have to click where you are using. For example, you are using any landing page, opt-in page, or any a form or any other survey or webinar. So you have to click in that thing. So I will simply, I'm using a landing page. So I'm using a subscription method from landing page. So I will click on the landing page, and yes, that's it. So it automatically get connected. If so, if somebody if subscribe means subscribe to your from landing page, then what message do you want to send next? It should be a immediately message. For example, if somebody subscribe from your landing page, then you have to send a welcome email. All right, immediately. So just simply click on the add element and just mm, click a send message. So for example, if my subscriber subscribe from landing page, and it automatically get immediately one message, that is a welcome message. So I simply click on a double click, and select the message, which message I want to send, right? So I will simply, so I have created the first thing, you have to create a message or draft. I have already created a message in the autoresponder, so I'm using that. I'm using I'm going to select that message, right? So it's up to you. You have to create a draft, or you can also create autoresponder. or you can select that message the right hand side box. So I've selected that yes, I'm using autoresponder message, and I will select that message. In that message I have created that welcome uh, message. Simply I will click on that, and it's saying click yes. I click on that, and it says shows the send message welcome email. So it's somebody subscribe from my landing page, they will get a immediately message. So simply I will connect, I will drag and just connect both of them, right? You have to connect both of them, right? So after if somebody get an email, right, then what you have to do, for example, somebody subscribe to your landing page, and you will send a immediately message to them, right? So there are two type people will be there. The one will be who open the mail, and the other will be who don't open the mail. So what action do you want to take? For example, if somebody if some so I will simply click on the message open link, right, in the basic. So if somebody have for example, if somebody open my mail, so I will wait for one day and I will send another email. So simply what I will do, I will simply click on the add element and wait. I will just simply wait click on the wait, and here is saying that wait for a one day. So if somebody subscribe, they will get a email, a welcome email. And who if somebody's open my email, they will they will wait for one day and they will get another email. All right. Simply I will just connect both of them. So yes, when any letter newspaper is open, so you have to click which uh, email do you want to, for example, if anybody get welcome email, so there should be open a welcome email. So you should write, you have to click on that one. Is for example, I will just simply click on autoresponder and yes, and I will click on the specific sorry, automation specific. I will click on the welcome email. Yes. So for example, if so, I've selected the message that if someone welcome email is open, then they will wait for one day, right? And they will wait for one day and they will get another message. So you have to do that. So I will just simply connect both of them. All right. So if somebody is not open your email, so that is the thing. So simply what you have to do, just send a message again. But which message? Obviously, welcome message. All right. If somebody is not open at what time? If somebody is not open your message at 6 hours or 7 hours or one day, so you have to decide that. So which message do you want to send? Obviously, you will send a welcome email again if somebody is not opening your message. So I will simply click and uh, select automation again, and I will select the message, a welcome email. All right, this is it. So you have to, right. So you have to set up this thing that if some events when to assume that condition wasn't met. So if somebody is not opening your message, then at what hours they are not able to opening the message. For example, I will add, for example, they have not opened your message at one day. So after one day you will able to send the message that is welcome email. All right. So for example, I will 6 hours. So if somebody is, for example, I will write down in the 6 hours. So I will just uh, that zero. For example, if somebody is not opening my email for 6 hours, so after 6 hours they will get a message again of again, that is a welcome email. So have you understand this, right? For example, if some if for example let me explain an example. For example, if you have a landing page and landing page, your subscriber come into and some subscribe to your landing page, and you have sent a welcome email. So in welcome email, there are two type of people will be there. One will be open, the welcome email should be open or not. So if somebody is open your email, they will wait for 1 day and you will send another video. So if somebody is not open your email, then you have to again send that email, again welcome email again. After 6 hours, you have set up the time that if somebody is not opening my email at 6 hours, then after 6 hours you will send welcome email again. All right. So this is the thing. So another thing is that you have to click on this add button, and after that you have to click uh, send message, and after 1 day you will select a message. Which message do you want to message to? For example, I'm writing message to. So second message, yes, you have to write down the second message. I've already created that message. So if somebody open my mail, they have wait for 1 day, and after 1 day they will get a message. So I will just connect both of them, right? So yeah, this is the thing which I want to share to all of you, that after 1 day they will get a message too. So if somebody did not get a message of welcome to, and they uh, you will send again message. All right, in welcome, for the welcome email. So yeah, this is the thing which I want to share. Hope you like this video. Please share this video if anybody want, and right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it.